a lot of it I think is just perception of manufacturing. And what's so different today, I think, versus 10, 20 years ago is you look at all the technology, and you're talking to a generation like Gen Z and millennials who've grown up with iPhones in their pockets and iPads around the house, and like they're living in a technology based world, and there's so much interesting technology. You talked about vision systems a little bit earlier, and various things happening with AI, and the way that automation is becoming so prevalent because we need it, frankly. These are things that I think a lot of younger people don't realize are happening. And you think of manufacturing, and you think of probably what you saw on TV shows years ago, where it was dark and dingy and stuff. So I think a lot of it is like, how do we get it out there and broadcast to younger generation and their parents too, frankly, who probably have the same perception, and show them what's so interesting about the manufacturing sector right now.
Yeah, I had a few years where each year I would take a bunch of high schoolers through some of the factories that I was running. And these factories are, in some cases, all the equipment's white. It's as clean as a hospital almost. It's brightly lit, like almost like you got to wear sunglasses in there. It's so bright because you want to see. People got to be able to see the parts they're making. And just one manufacturing line out of five, I know for sure, was a $35 million investment. It's and this is going on in the middle of communities that they have no idea that that's happening in the middle of the community. And such a value adding activity. People have, I think, picked up on this message that the amount of people working in manufacturing has steadily gone down over the last 50 years, and of course it has. But the amount of value that they can produce per person is dramatically up because of the levels of automation.